Hi guys, today I will show you a full guide on how to redeem codes on PS5 from different country in 2025. Make sure to watch till the end to get all the information. Let's dig in. Step 1. Create a new PSN account. First you'll need to create a new PSN account. Make sure to use a different email address than your existing account. During the sign-up process, carefully select the appropriate region that matches the country of your voucher code. Step 2. Sign in to the new account. Once you've created your new PSN account with the correct region, go to your PlayStation 5 and log in to this new account. Step 3. Redeem the code. Now that you're signed into the region-specific account, navigate to the PlayStation Store on your PS5. Once there, find the option to redeem codes and enter your voucher code. Step 4. Download the content. After successfully redeeming the code, the content associated with it will be available on your new account. You can then download this content. And that's it. Redeeming codes from different countries on your PS5 in 2025 is straightforward.